I think that the unity of Europe, it is something we have to cherish, and pluralism, different countries, different culture, and it is something very important for us and for Poles. For Poland, it is also Christian values, and I can just refer to the words of John Paul II, who said that Europe have to breathe with two lungs. And as a member of opposition and of Solidarity, we dreamt about the European integration. We achieved that, and we appreciate very much Polish society at large being a member of the European Union. So there is a threat to this basis, which is basis of economic integration for freedoms, freedom of movement of workers, capital, goods and services. There is a threat of protectionism, which will hamper the economic development of the European Union. Economic competition is very important in order that the European Union will develop and will be an example, model for other regions. And also there is a threat to the unity of the European Union. There are some proposals to divide, to create Europe of different speeds. I think that the value of European Union is that it is, as I said, united and present different points of view. So we have to look for better legitimization of the European Union's policies. So we have to fight with democratic deficit. How to do it? I think listen better to societies and strengthen the role of European parliaments in the process of decision making, not to impose solutions against the wills of the societies of nations. So a defeat, I see Brexit as a defeat of the European integration. There was a country which simply decided not to stay longer within the European Union. We have to think about that we did something wrong, that the Brits decided to leave the European Union. Therefore, we have to reform, better address expectations of societies. First of all, economic development. I think that part of European Union member states have to reform their economies. There are some they have to be brave in order to somehow do something against the interests of their societies. European Union have to be economically stable. Then European Union will develop quicker economically, and it will remain important international actor, a model for other countries, because we have very good program concerning our values to promote democracy, human rights abroad. The problem is that we have to be managed properly and also have robust economic basis.